highest court in the land is allowing Alabama the chance to change the congressional districts before the primary election in just 8 days. Thanks for joining us tonight at 10 o'clock. I'm Michael Higdon in for Guy.
And I'm Carla Wade. The Supreme Court directed a lower court to reconsider the case, finding that Alabama's previous maps violated the Voting Rights Act.
But for now, the fight for democracy continues across the state. Take a look at this video. It was taken on Friday during the last day of the special session in Montgomery. Protesters packed the gallery, with many being removed by security. The woman at the center of it, voting rights activist Dee Reed. And in a WVTM 13 exclusive, she talked about the chaos for the first time with Aaron Llewellyn.
And he joins us live and local now. And Aaron, she also shared her thoughts on today's Supreme Court decision.
Yeah, Carlo, Michael, I talked to Dee Reed earlier today, and she says that she is disappointed by today's decision, and she called it this generation's 1963 moment, meaning that she hopes that everyone will stay involved and stand up, especially because this fight is far from over. With just 8 days before the primary election, Alabama's legal battle over congressional maps is heating up.
I've gotten so many text messages from folks who are literally fighting back tears, and other folks who are outraged.
In the middle of my interview with Dee Reed from Black Voters Matter.
Supreme Court green lights, 11th hour Alabama redistricting plan for 2026.
News broke that the U.S. Supreme Court sent Alabama's redistricting case back to a lower court.
I would be lying if I didn't say that I was not disappointed, but I am not weary in the well-doing, right?
The decision could eliminate one of Alabama's 2 majority black congressional districts during the midterm election. Reed calls the decision hypocrisy, saying other courts ruled that the maps drawn in 2023 did not give black Alabamians a fair voice in the democratic process.
The courts are not on our side, which is why we have to be on the side of each other. We have to be on the side of justice. We have to be on the side of righteousness. We have to be on the side of saving our democracy.
Attorney General Steve Marshall says Alabama drew its maps based on geography and community and not race.
My job in this office was to put the legislature in the best possible legal position to draw a congressional map that favors Republicans 7-0.
Reed says this decision doesn't just stop at Congress, and it could even impact voters at a local level in county commission, city council, and school board races.
We really want folks to understand the long-term implications and how this isn't a democracy. This is domination. It is elimination.
And that's why Reed told me she's still using her voice, even after being what she calls forcibly removed from the Capitol building after protesting during the special session on Friday.
Courage isn't the absence of fear, right? It's being able to feel it and saying, I'm gonna do it anyway, right? And so although I was seemingly, the only one that was carried out, I didn't feel alone.
And even if it means risking arrest, Reed says she can't stand by and allow black voters' voices to be stripped, not on her watch. Now, the redistricting case will go to a lower federal court to be reconsidered, and if those district lines change, then Reed says that voters will still have to vote in the primary election on May 19th, but it is possible that they could still have to vote in another primary election if those district lines are changed. Live in Birmingham, Aaron Llewellyn, WVTM 13.